approached by Tune to test in our 5 stores at Dominoes. I said, I want to test it in my house because I'm skeptical and I want to isolate any variable that I can. We put it in my house at the same time and ran the test for 14 months. It was really neat to see that I had the same results. I personally saved 10-11% per month. You know, with 8 of us in the house, we go through a lot of power. We make the local power company very happy. And with guests coming over all the time, who doesn't say, close the door, we're not, cooling the south? Well, it's not as much of a concern because it helps us to save money. Well, we've got all kinds of pumps, pool, hot tub, and with lots of people coming over, we want to make sure that it's all working, but it takes a lot of energy. Used to, I get upset, turn that light off, turn that light off. Now it's like, who cares? We're saving money, it doesn't matter. So for me, it was $450 a year, which was a fantastic savings. Who wouldn't want that? The payback was really fast. I mean, in the summer, that's 1 month of electric bill, and maybe a month and a half. It's not just on my house. When our leadership team found out about it, they all went and got it installed in their home. So our CEO, he even moved. He said, I want to take that with me. So I think that's kind of cool.